Fred Humbert again here with the Husky Altanium Hot Runner Control product line. I'd like to introduce you to our new Neo 2 product line. The Neo 2 product line consists of a 6-zone mainframe, a 12-zone mainframe, and a remote operator interface. The new Neo 2 is capable of controlling hot runner systems from 2 to 24 zones, and all of the operator interface is accomplished through a very simple color touchscreen interface. Here you can see individual zones, set point, actual temperature, the voltage on each zone, the amperage draw on each zone, the wattage on each zone calculated, and the amount of power being applied to maintain set point. The key aspect of the new Neo 2 is the simplicity of its operation. It's very easy to operate. To make a change to a zone, you simply touch that zone. If you want to change the set point to just that zone or to maybe all of the zones, you can select them like that. You can hit the set point, and now I can change them by, say, 5 degrees and increase them by 5 degrees. So I've now made an adjustment to all the zones. I can hit OK and go back to the same screen. A couple of other nice features here is the standby feature, where we can actually reduce all of the operating temperatures across the whole tool very easily with one button. And a timer is also associated with that, so it brings it right back up into the operating condition once the timer times out. Same thing on the boost key. If I want to free up the gates, I can hit one key and elevate all the temperatures to an elevated set point. But more importantly, the controller will automatically bring it right back down to the normal operating condition. The other benefit here is that this controller is very simple in its operation. We have an advanced mode and a basic mode. And in the basic mode, the general operations are loading mold setups, turning zones on and off, and changing set points. So it's very simple to operate. I'd also like to show you the mold setup feature. The Neo 2 line has the capability to store internal mold setups and also to move mold setups via a USB key from system to system. The last feature I'd like to show you is our diagnostics capability, and you can look at testing out your tool by first turning the controller off, then highlighting mold test, and then you have a very simple grid with a stop and a run. So you simply run the test, it automatically goes through the entire tool and checks for fuse blown, continuity of wiring, and various other aspects of the hot runner tool to ensure that it is ready to run and ready to go with no problems. The nice thing about the Neo 2 is it uses the same architecture in terms of control cards as the complete Altanium line. So if you only have one card to store an inventory, and that card can be used on anything from a 2-zone Neo to a 254-zone Matrix.